Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing the best serum for anti-aging and a glowing skin. If your face has aged, this video is for you. So guys, this is an anti-wrinkle moisturizing facial serum from Ashu Beauty product. This helps to smoothen out wrinkles rapidly and effectively, prevent melanin production, promote cells rejuvenation, improve aging skin, minimize pores, protect the integrity of cells tissue, and restore a firm, elastic, lustrous babyish skin. This is an anti-wrinkle moisturizing facial serum that helps a lot. If your face has wrinkled, if your face has aged, start using this serum and you will see the result in 30 days. This product is at 5,000 naira in the market and is very effective. It is very active when it comes to anti-wrinkle facial serum. It contains hyaluronic acid and argan oil, which helps to moisturize your face, which helps for aging as well. It contains grapeseed oil, sandalwood oil, wheat germ oil, kernel oil, cataract oil. And this product that has this content helps a lot to moisturize and helps to lift off sack face. Okay, it helps for anti-aging. This is the best product to use if your face has wrinkled or if your face has aged. See you in my next video.